Good afternoon, everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and I decided to let's get some gift certificates and give them away. Since I'm unable to work on my cars, I can still have some fun by helping others out. So I decided, even before, due to the unfortunate injuries, that I was going to get some gift certificates and maybe give them as stocking stuffers, or to some Volkswagen fans who may really need it to help finish their projects. So I decided to let's go ahead and do these to enter to win to get these gift certificates. First one is a $10 one. The second one is a $10 one. And the third and final one is the $100 one. So the last time I had one of these competitions going, we had a couple really good supports, but a lot of people didn't understand how to get involved. They just thought that if they if they just viewed it, they would automatically be in there. But I have no idea how to read people's minds. So if you look back in my videos, I had like 1,400 views, and only like 6 people actually entered and followed the rules, which I said to do. So we're going to make this really simple again. First of all, hit the subscribe button to Volkswagen Planet. Hit the notifications so you guys can get the up-to-date information when the new videos come out. Third, comment below about, yes, please enter me into the Wolfsburg West gift certificate. And to let you guys know, if you win the first one, you are eligible for the second and third. So just because you win one doesn't mean you're just qualified for the rest. And third, what I want you guys to do is tell me what type of vehicle you have, like Type 1 Bug 1968, and tell me what you guys would put this little $10 gift certificate to. You know the parts are great. You know what Wolfsburg West stands for. So if you guys have any comments, any concerns, any questions, post them below. I would really like to try to get this thing going as early as tomorrow. I will answer all your questions, and once we come up with a mutual trying to make everybody happy here, we will post it and go live. So I hope this helps you guys. Maybe Christmas may come a couple weeks early for you. So hit that subscribe button, hit the little dingle bell over there, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment why, and if you do enter, again, put your name. I'm not your name because we already know who you are. Just put the type of car you want, your type of car you drive. Let's say 71 Carmen Ghia, and what you would spend the $10 on. So that's all you got to do to enter it. I will come back and I'll put a little check mark to verify that you are involved in it, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. The only thing I want to do, guys, is the only thing I request is on a $10 one, let's try to get at least 10 people to try to do the system right. So $10 is not much, but I want to get at least 10 people going to this one. And I guess for every dollar, I guess we just need to try to get every a entry for every dollar. If we can't get this one, then I might just go ahead and buy some more 20s, excuse me, or $25 ones or 15s, and we'll just go from there. But I would like to have at least one subscribe for $1. One entry, subscription for $1 per dollar giveaway. I think that's not asking too much. So again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your continued support. Continued support. That's a little better. That's the medications kicking in, like I was telling you from the last video. And let's just go from there, guys. You guys have a good day. God bless you. God bless your family. And as always, keep dubbing.